Hi, I'm Pariah Burke. Welcome to my course, Advanced Typography. I've enjoyed a long career as a designer and typesetter, working with some of the world's most recognizable brands, including Time Warner, Adobe, and Playboy. I'm the author of Mastering InDesign and 8 other books, of 24 Pluralsight video courses, and of more than 450 published articles and tutorials on typography, InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop, e-publishing, and other design topics. Think about this. Design is how you look, type is how you sound. A typeface is the tone of voice in which the mind's ear hears your written message. In this course, Advanced Typography, you will learn to master typography and fonts. First, in the Mastering Fonts module, you will become a font expert, learning about the fonts and structure of fonts, including font licensing. You will also learn how to find any character, symbol, or glyph in a font, and even where to turn to add your own or to fix errors or stylistic discrepancies in fonts you want to use. In the second half of the course, Mastering Typography, you will learn to identify typefaces with more specificity than just serif or sans serif, about font families and superfamilies, strategies and sample combinations for choosing complementary typefaces and families for legibility, typographic contrast, mood, proportion, and more. And best practices for on-screen typography, including tools and scripts you can add to your website or WordPress blog to make your online text beautiful. I hope you'll join me on this journey to master fonts and typography with the Advanced Typography course at Pluralsight.